Today we're looking at the Conico battery-powered outdoor security camera. This was very kindly sent to me by Conico. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither did they pay me for this review. If you want to pick this camera up, I will link it in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and subscribe to watch more reviews. So as you can see on the packaging, 100% wire-free. So this is a motion-based camera. Conico reckon it will last you around 2 to 6 months, but it depends where you place the camera. If you have a lot of motion coming and going, the battery can get reduced quickly, and then you will need to take the camera off wherever you have it mounted, bring it inside, recharge it, and then put it back. So do bear in mind, wherever you will place this camera, it needs to be somewhere where you can take it back down to charge it again. It has full 1080p video, rechargeable, has a PIR sensor, two-way audio, night vision, IP65. Easy setup here, some instructions. Some more information at the back. And then some information on this side. Image resolution 1080p, as I've told you. Built-in microphone and speaker. It runs on the 2.4 gigahertz and some working temperatures there. iOS and Android, download the Cloudedge app. Just open it. Some information there. First thing, an instruction manual. And email support as well from Conico. That's some information regarding the front of the camera. A micro USB cable, a reset pin, some screws and wall plugs. And that's the bracket for the camera. So you'd put your 3 screws in there. Just move that. It does give you some good flexibility. Looking at the camera, some branding there. Information sticker on this side. Mounting thread at the bottom, nothing there. It's a speaker. If I open that, that'll come off. So we've got our reset hole there, on off, charging port, and micro SD card slot there. I would put the card in now. It takes maximum 128 GB micro SD card. It's not provided, you have to use your own. Take that off. You won't be able to see that yet, but that's the status indicator. The lens has 110 degrees field of view. That's the PIR sensor and microphone there. This runs on the Cloudedge app. We will be going through the app in this video, and I will show you some daytime and nighttime footage as well. I went to Google Play, I typed in Cloudedge, I downloaded the app, I put my email address in, I picked a password, they sent a code to my email, I put the code in, I'm registered with the app now. I just need to add the camera, so we'll do that now. That's turned red at the back there. Battery camera.
The device power button to start the device.
Okay. That's turned red. Press next. Okay, some tips there.
Set the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay. Yep, that's done. Next.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync. Choose a 2.
So as I mentioned before, it's saying select a 2.4 gigahertz network.
Protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code. Then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches. Please wait a moment.
That were really quick. I was just going to say I'll fast forward this part and then I'll come back, but it's added successfully. That were really quick.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
There we are. Wanted to. Sorry about that. I'll just mute that. Okay. Just giving some tips. Okay. Okay, I need to upgrade. It's downloading. I'll come back once that's done. Okay, let's have a quick look at the app. So that you can see that area where the table is lit up because this has 4 infrared lights. Tap on the screen. The speaker, I have muted that. Where it says SD, you could also do HD. That depends on your internet. Next to that, we'll flip the image around. And at the bottom here, where it says live, we could take a screenshot. That will get saved in the app. Intercom, we hold that to speak to the other person because of course this has 2-way audio. Record. That recording will get saved in the app. Motion detection. Then we have album. So these are all the pictures and videos I saved before. So just play that now. And at the top you could see you can also share this as well. And a trash can there. I've used this app before. It's a nice simple app to use. If I click on history, calendar, you could go through date. Then we have cloud. You get 7 days free, and then after that you need to pay for a subscription. But I'm using a micro SD card. If I click this gear cog here, we have some more options here. We've got time setting, image setting. So if you were to mount the camera upside down, you could flip the image around. Night vision mode, I've left it on auto. Sound settings, that's the speaker volume. Leave that as it is. Alarm management, if I turn that on. So we've got detection sensitivity, alarm working mode. We could customize all that. Alert plan. We have battery management. Recording management. I have formatted the SD card, but I don't know why it's showing 104M. It's a 32 GB SD card I have in there. But it's very important when you put an SD card in, make sure you format it. Reset device, delete device. If I back out of that, if I back out of that again, at the bottom we've got home page, messages. So these are all the motions it picked up. This is when I was setting the camera up. I had the motion detection turned on. It's picked all these up. My overall thoughts: setting the camera up is straightforward, the app is easy to use, the camera has good image quality, motion detection works really well. One little concern, you'll have to take the camera down to recharge it, but that's the case with most of the battery powered cameras. Link in the description if you want to pick this up. I hope I covered everything. If I missed something, ask me in the comment section. If you found the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.